Amy Argand. Amy Argand was a Swiss physicist and a chemist who invented the Argand lamp, which was a huge success on the usual oil lamp. Fascinated by the amplitude of science, he became an apprentice of Benedict de Saussure, a renowned meteorologist and a botanist. He began his invention in the 1780s when he was a teacher in chemistry. His idea was to develop a lamp which could overcome the drawbacks of the traditional ones. A series of experiments led to the prominent discovery of what we now know as the Argand lamp. Later in 1783, he was thrilled by the idea of hot air balloons, which was originally a thought of Etienne Montgolfier. The invention of the lamp was not so easy. After a huge series of experiments and partnerships of many other significant people, he was finally able to manufacture his lamp. It was in 1784 that he received a patent for his discovery. The design and the usability of the lamp was so good that people were highly demanding for this product. Anatoly Alexandrov. Anatoly Alexandrov was known as a sportsperson and also an inventor. He had been an academician in the university at director's post for a long period of time. He was a Russian Soviet and became the third known decorator at the end of his life. Earlier, after his graduation, he was famous during World War II because of the method on demagnetizing ships, with collaboration with the Russians to defend them from the Germans. This method proved to be effective because the way it was devised by Anatoly was remarkable. Almost everyone at the end of World War II used this to be a safeguard. His invention led to the development of the nuclear reactor. The way he used it was similar to the way exploded in Ukraine in 1986. Other scientists in this field did not get satisfied by the safety measures of this nuclear reactor. But being a big man, he kept on working on it and introduced a nuclear fleet. Andrew Alford. Radio, as we know it today, is mostly because of the famous invention of antennas for radio navigation systems by Andrew Alford. This invention helps individual FM stations to broadcast simultaneously from one source to others. Andrew Alford was born in Samara, Russia on 5th August 1904. He was a graduate from the University of California in 1924. He also received the honorary title of DS from Ohio University in 1975. He was an employee of Harvard University Radio Research Lab from 1943 to 1945, where he was the division head of Direction Finder and Antenna Division from 1943 to 1945. He was also head of Air Navigation Lab, International Telegraph Development Corporation. He did engineering work for Fox Film Corporation. He was also on the Sound Lab staff at California Institute of Technology. He later founded the Alford Manufacturing Company. He died on 25th January 1992. Anthony R. Barringer. Anthony R. Barringer was born on 20th October 1925. He was a geophysicist by profession. He had unmatched contribution in the field of mineral exploration technology. He was well known for the development of induced pulse transient or input electromagnetic system. Along with this, he also invented an instrument which is useful as a portable ground electromagnetic system. This milestone discovery has proved to be valuable as it locates billion-dollar useful ore deposits. Anthony R. Barringer made many other discoveries, such as the laser-induced fluorescent space system. It has a prime importance in oil and gas exploration and had also been short-named as fluoroscan. Correlation spectrometer is another brilliant discovery by this person. It had been very useful to measure dispersion of various gases in the atmosphere. NASA, to measure the worldwide distribution of carbon dioxide, also uses an infrared remote sensor, which has been designed by this genius. He had presented more than 80 technical papers in this field. 2 very low frequency airborne conductivity mapping system and a number of particulate analyzers add up to his contribution. He died on 15th August 2009. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.